Hello, I'm Moshe Gassit, and welcome to Air-Qualitee. We've been examining the U.S. commercial real estate sector's journey towards sustainability using insights from Measurabl's Business of Sustainability report. We've seen that progress is being made in energy and carbon reduction, but the picture is nuanced with significant variations across property types and regions. Today, I want to delve into some of the powerful underlying forces, or megatrends, that are reshaping real estate operations, strategy, and financial resilience. The Measurabl report identifies several, and we'll start by looking at three critical ones: policy and regulation, occupancy trends, and operational interventions. First, let's talk about policy and regulation. This is a fascinating area, described in the report as a push-pull dynamic. At the federal level in the U.S., there's been some uncertainty with potential rollbacks of sustainability programs and shifting priorities. However, this is not happening in isolation. We're seeing strong countervailing commitments at the state and local levels. For example, 24 U.S. states have reaffirmed their commitment to the Paris Agreement goals. Crucially, building performance standards, or BPS, are expanding rapidly. 13 U.S. cities already have these mandates in place, requiring building owners to meet specific energy or carbon targets, and over 30 more are set to pass similar policies by 2026. Local benchmarking laws now cover over 80% of large U.S. cities, requiring owners to track and report performance. The financial risks of non-compliance are very real. Under New York City's local law 97, for instance, fines could exceed $1.2 million annually for a 1 million square foot building by 2030. So, while the broader policy landscape can be uncertain, local mandates are a powerful driver for change. The second major trend highlighted is occupancy trends. The way we use buildings, particularly offices, has been fundamentally altered by the shift towards remote and hybrid work. This isn't just about empty desks. It's redefining energy demand and efficiency strategies. Lower or more variable occupancy can lead to inefficiencies like overcooling or underutilized HVAC systems in partially occupied spaces. The report notes that while vacancy rates have stabilized nationally around 19.8% for offices, fluctuations in urban markets remain a challenge. This directly intersects with energy and carbon metrics, pushing owners to find smarter ways to manage their buildings based on actual use, not just historical patterns. This brings us to the third key trend: operational interventions. This is where technology and data truly come to the fore. The report emphasizes that smarter buildings, better HVAC systems, and critically real-time data are driving energy efficiency gains where it matters most, at the asset level. Advanced energy management software, for example, can help real estate owners save between 10% and 20% on energy costs by enabling strategies that adjust to real-time occupancy. Furthermore, carbon intensity can be mitigated by transitioning to low-carbon energy sources and implementing energy-efficient technologies within these evolving hybrid office environments. This trend also encompasses retrofits. With a large percentage of existing buildings, particularly offices and multifamily, at risk of obsolescence, phase retrofitting is becoming essential. Even incremental retrofits focusing on lighting and HVAC can reduce carbon emissions by up to 50% and offer operational savings of 20–30%. At Air-Qualitee, these three trends are central to the value we provide. Our RadGreen platform delivers the real-time data necessary to navigate complex local regulations and optimize building systems based on actual occupancy. By providing a clear building MRI and enabling data-driven HVAC optimization, we directly support those critical operational interventions that lead to tangible energy savings and improved ESG performance. This allows building owners to not only comply with mandates, but also to enhance asset value and create healthier, more efficient spaces for tenants. Understanding these driving forces is key to adapting and thriving in today's dynamic real estate market. Thank you for joining me for this discussion. We've only scratched the surface of the trends shaping sustainable real estate. We'll explore more of these critical factors in future discussions here on the Air-Qualitee channel. Stay informed and consider how these trends are impacting your own properties or investment strategies.